Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Isaac from Isaacson TV, and today we are going to be reviewing a SDG Components Tellis dropper post. So this dropper post is 125 millimeters of travel to account for my somewhat short legs, not really, but it's just because my bike has a really high standover height, so it's just for the better. So this is an internal dropper post. We had to drill a hole inside of the frame to get the cable through. If you zoom into the bottom of my seat tube, so because of that, it's gonna work fine. I don't recommend drilling a hole. Don't drill a hole if you have to. Only if you have to. Let's get this open. This is on a really good sale, really good price. We got it for like $145, so it's a good price for a really good dropper post. So here is the inside of the box. We have the what's it called? Details. So 2-bolt micro adjust 7075 T6 forged clamp. I like the low stack design. I do like that a lot. 3D forged head, stronger and more durable than bonded heads. Infinity travel adjustment. Okay, that's good. Wiper seal. So this is the actual dropper post itself. It's a little dusty. That's fine. So it looks nice. The seals look great. Overall, it looks like a pretty good dropper post. I have this dropper post on my brother's bike. We installed it not too long ago. This is the lever that it comes with, as you can see. I hear it's a really light actuation lever, so that's gonna be great. We're probably not gonna have to cut the cable, so that's gonna be good. Yeah, so that's the dropper post. Now we have a saddle. We bought a saddle. My other saddle is making a creaking noise. Not very good. Ooh, this looks nice. So we got a WTB Volt medium padding saddle. So we get this out of the package so you guys can see it here. Here it is. It looks great. It's about the same size as mine original setup, so that's great. Medium padding, narrow width, so it should fit perfectly. Looks comfortable. Great. Okay. Yeah, we'll put that when we get the drop post out of its packaging. Let me get some scissors. Pause the video. Alright, I got some scissors right here. So, heavy duty mechanical scissors. We are going to cut open these zip ties without breaking the dropper post, because that'd be fateful. Just one of those. Great. So now we have the dropper post here. It looks great. 31.6 with 125 millimeters of travel, as you can see here. Actuation looks great. Looks exactly like my brother's. Great. Okay. Now let me get this open so we can get the lever out and start installing it onto the bike. Put this up here. So we have the cable here with the cable housing, Jaguar Lex XL cable, and we have the dropper lever. As you can see in here, let me get that out for you to see it. So this is the lever here. It looks really nice. I like the feel of this. It feels great on the hand, on the fingers, on your thumb. So that should be great. Barrel adjuster, screw bolt, and clamp. Looks great. Alright. We'll get the saddle open in a little bit. Let me take the housing out of its package. So we're not gonna have to cut the cable. Should be perfectly fine. Yeah, looks great. Alright, we'll get to it. So yeah, we're here. I got the cable through. We drilled a hole right here, as you can see. Come a little closer. If you just zoom in a little bit, you can see that we drilled a hole through here. We're gonna touch this up with some Sharpie, so it doesn't look so bad. But other than that, should be great. We are gonna have to cut the cable. It's a little, actually, yeah, it's a long. We're gonna have the dropper post right here, the lever. So yeah, we're gonna have to cut it a bit. Hey guys, I'm done installing the dropper post. We cut the cable, housing, we installed everything. With a little bit of tweaking to the lever, should be perfectly fine. We installed the WTD, I think it was we installed the WTD saddle. I'll put the link I'll put the Amazon link in the description below. I'll also put the Amazon link to the dropper post on the description below as well. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. It's pretty cheap. It's on sale right now for $120. So I think it's a great deal. It comes with a 1x lever. My bike is a 2x, so I made it work with the 1x because I was just moving around the lever because I do not use my front 2x shifter. I don't use it at all. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Tomorrow we will be going to Sycamore Canyon to see if this thing can take up the abuse. We're going to take up some climbs from the descents and hopefully it gets down low enough because of its low stack design. Alright, other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.